My left heel is on top of my right knee. And then I'm just going to go into a little bit of a twist. It's called the supine twist. And when I do this, I take my top hand, my right hand, and I place it on top of my knee. And then I look towards my left hand. I'm going to feel a little stretch down the sides here. So I'll just actually go in this way. I feel a nice stretch through here. And then I'm stretching my eyes, my neck as I look towards my thumb. And this motion also, what it's doing to the rib cage, not only is it creating a nice length through here, but on the side that I'm twisting, all here has to wrap around and work, strengthening those muscles to allow me, or lightly engages them in order to look and twist that way. Whereas a lot of the time people miss that and then they just do this. See the difference? Versus thinking about the wrap, those shoulders wrapping, reaching from there, those muscles back there, they're helping me twist. Just watch that again. Look at the shoulder and look at my ribs. See that? Just try that. It's gonna be like, whoa. And you're gonna get so much further. It's not a lot, but it just might be a little bit more than maybe you've ever experienced before. And then when you go to take a breath right into there, you're gonna feel it expand so beautifully.